Welcome back, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. The RTH 13.26 is the most powerful rotating tiller handler in the world. It has a maximum lift capacity of 85 feet and can lift loads up to past 28,600. It's the perfect partner for construction or industrial jobs where very heavy loads need to be lifted to great heights to ensure operator safety. The leveler and scissor stabilizers are equipped with a large support surface that provides maximum stability even in confined spaces and provides maximum traction on all types of terrain. Auger torque brush cutters are designed to fit excavators from 1.5 to 8 tonnes, and thanks to a new mounting frame design, they have the unique ability to quickly switch from left-handed to right-handed cutting. The cutting deck is 4.9 feet long and has an additional 3.2 feet of extension for a full 8.2 feet of trimming, allowing you to cut branches up to 1.57 inches thick depending on the type of material. You can easily replace damaged tines and the trimmer is extremely durable, so it's low maintenance, providing neat, accurate and tidy trimming of vegetation. Wessex Internet is a telecommunications company providing internet services based in the southwest of England in the rural region of the United Kingdom. Wessex Internet uses efficient plough technology from Vermeer to get rural communities connected. And guess what? It's working quite successfully. Vermeer's RTX machine does an excellent job of making the perfect hole in the ground to lay the internet cables. Comberlift range of innovative forklift trucks are specifically designed to meet the challenges faced by modular construction sites. With this high-powered gantry loader technology, the operator can change direction to safely move long and bulky loads in narrow aisles and bypass obstacles with confidence and maximum safety. These forklifts can handle the heaviest of loads and perform various loading and unloading operations with oversized loads. Prime Robotics mobile pallet solutions revolutionize productivity by significantly minimizing human involvement in pallet handling in the warehouse by optimizing operations and reducing the need for manual operation. Advanced robotics technology increases efficiency to unprecedented levels with a maximum payload of PS 4400. Sequence and end phase optimization, as well as transport and top lift options. The new mobile pallet has all these features you need. Large cargo cranes such as a Cormac model are widely used in construction, logistics, transportation and various industries where heavy and bulky loads need to be lifted and moved from one place to another in complete safety. They're used to load and unload up to 1.3 tons at 105 feet horizontally, such as steel beams, concrete pipes and construction equipment. The crane is the only one in the Auto Transport Eagle fleet with a special X shape. Shingles can now easily go directly onto any roof, thanks to the new Arrowhead working system. With it, you can safely eliminate the extra work of roofing contractors, saving you significant time and money. And guess what? Once you have a full, convenient set of roofing materials skillfully placed on your roof, you'll never want to do roofing, lifting, delivery any other way again. Wouldn't you agree? Terraclear uses artificial intelligence and robotics to help farmers get rid of costly and time-consuming stones from their fields. Terraclear maps fields to determine the location and size of stones. The map can be accessed through the company's special mobile app. Farmers can then use the app to create and follow an efficient stone removal route, using the Terraclear rock picker or simply request a stone removal service. Terraclear solutions work in most field conditions, including under fallow stubble or residue and fully planted crops. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.